What do new TVs and solar panels have in common? Well, they're both made up of quantum dots. Quantum dots are small semiconducting nanocrystals. This means they have a metal and a non-metal component, while at the same time, they're tiny crystals. Quantum dots are interesting because they absorb and emit light at very specific colors. In my research, I study the growth and synthesis of quantum dots. I want to know what makes these dots grow. If I can do that, then I should be able to make dots wherever I want, with all the properties that I need. If I can do that, then I can make better solar panels and generate more clean energy, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Let's talk about some of the properties of quantum dots. Quantum dots are interesting because they absorb and emit light at very specific wavelengths. This gives them very unique applications, especially in TVs and solar cells. In TVs, they give a sharp and exact color, like you would see in an HD TV. With solar panels, it's useful to be able to make different kinds of quantum dots to absorb different kinds of light. To do this, we need quantum dots of different materials and sizes to absorb different kinds of light. Perhaps the most interesting feature of quantum dots is that the light they emit and absorb is directly related to their size. As you make smaller and smaller quantum dots, the energy of the light absorbed and emitted increases. A higher energy means a smaller wavelength, and a smaller wavelength means bluer light. This is why some quantum dots will seem blue, and others red. Like normal crystals, quantum dots have a repeating pattern. Unlike normal crystals, each quantum dot has an outer shell made up of capping molecules called ligands. The kind of light absorbed by the quantum dot depends on three factors: the size of the quantum dot, the material of its crystal, and the material of its outer shell. In my research, I explore how different materials, at different temperatures, will grow different sizes of quantum dots. Hopefully, we can use this knowledge to make better solar panels and reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Thank you for listening.